Welcome to the channel. So today we are going to do this animation. So this is the composition setting we are going to use. Get out the type tool and type any word you want. You can use any font and color of the text. After that, place the text in the middle. So now place Ctrl-Shirt-D to duplicate the text. So now we have to make one text stroke, and we are going to do like this. So go and apply glow to any text you want. Make the glow radius 23. Glow threshold 63.1. On the glow intensity, you can make it 1.4. Adjust more on the radius and make it 33. Place Ctrl-C to copy the glow and place Ctrl-V to paste that control on the stroke layer. After apply C light sweep to the stroke. Make the width 343. Sweep intensity 66. Edge intensity 105. So we want this sweep to come from outside the spacework and move through the text, so move it out the composition. After place on the center clock watch. At this point, move the sweep to pass through the text. After place you to bring the keyframes, and after easy ease. Make sure you are on the speed graph, so adjust the graph like this. So if you don't like the sweep speed, you can play with the keyframe distance. After select all the work and pre-compose it, name it text. After apply glow to the comp. So we are going to make some adjustments on the glow. So make the glow threshold 52.5. Make the glow radius 0. So now we're going to create a background, so create a new solidy layer. After you apply gradient ramp on the solidy layer and adjust the colors like this.